way you act, wondering when I'm coming back. I could do about anything, I could even learn how to love like you. You're listening to 1600 Radio.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Chill with Bandz, aka Bandz, back here with another video. Today we're gonna give y'all a little room tour. As you can see, I'm trying to be consistent with this. So let's tap in and give y'all a little room tour. Alright. First up, my sleeping essentials. Got me a nice little bed, don't mind the little stuff on there. We got the air that was given to me as a gift. I don't know why I still got it though. But got my little coat, correct. Oh, wait, I need to take that over there. So, got my goals. Zoom on that. Alright, zoom in. Got my middle school diploma. I don't even know what you call it. So I just drew. And plane ticket, my first time to Vegas. And then got another award from elementary school, I think. Yeah. Over here, as you see, this is the bed for me. Got my two jerseys. Nice and put 35. If you know, go champions. Those almost won, but we lost. The team. For the rest, baby. I love where they at. Favorite artist, juice. Got my bag. It's the bag y'all see me with. If I'm just going out, don't come try to snatch and stuff. It's either tucked or it's in there. Then got my little hat, work hat, old work hat. When I used to work, very. I don't even know if I can put that on there. Let me see that. If y'all want a hat collection video, let me know. Comment down below. And we got squad boots. That was just like something I had for a couple years. Alright, and then we check out the little studio. Alright, so first up, got your little wood essentials. Maybe a wooden drink. All these things. But yeah, so we'll head in this space. Stream setup. I will be starting to stream soon. So when I do start streaming, I'll let y'all know. Go follow my Twitch. I'll put that in the link in the description. And if you need to make music like I do, you always have one of these. I still don't got the mic set for it, but we'll get to it. Got the little monitor. School laptop. This monitor I actually got for free, by the way. Told me to be able to. And my PS4. I have not played this thing at all. I actually tried to sell this to get the camera. You got y'all with a little mask right here. A little Halloween mask. Got me my own little library up here too. Because I like to read. These are some old books. But I used to grow up reading Diary of a Kid a lot. All the time. Got my construction, cause I'll be working in the field, like always. But and then we got the Trippy poster right here. One of the best albums, man. One of the best. And then I like to draw in my little free time, so got y'all little album cover drawing, a little shirt I made. And yeah. If y'all like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. I know this video was kind of short, but you know, gave you a little into like what I work with in the daily, like my little personal life. You seen, got a little tour of a setup too. But let me know what y'all want to see next. Probably go do a spring break bash soon.